Hey guys, it's Emily. Welcome everyone. And today we are going to be doing an unbagging of these mystery bags that we found at Walmart. So, and I'm scaring Hanky. I have my co-host over here today. She decided to lay on the table. So, let's get started. So we're gonna start with the pop culture one. We have the ones that we have are the pop culture one and the superhero one. So I believe these were $10 each, and it says over $25 worth of toys and collectibles inside. So let's see. I hope I don't scare Hanky because she does not like bags. What's this? You'll like this. This is Tetris. Do you still have Tetris on your phone? Okay. Yeah, my dad used to play Tetris a lot, I know that, and when I was younger, I used to play Tetris on his phone. I can't open this. This is a sling bag, isn't it? Let's see. Oh, I like this. I can use this, like, on the trip that's coming up. That clearing line says 84. Look at that! I like that. That's cool. I honestly don't have any Tetris stuff. What is this? Looks like Snoopy. Is it Snoopy? No, what is this? What is this? It says Looney Tunes. What is it? Oh, it's the little red monster guy from... I think these are knee-high socks. This is a little red monster guy from Looney Tunes. I forget what his name is. I know who it is, but I don't remember his name. He's some... Ooh, Harry Potter. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's stuck. Something for my 6th grade math teacher. Let's do this one first. So it says vote for Pedro, and it's from Napoleon Dynamite. My 6th grade math teacher loves Napoleon Dynamite, so she might want this. I've never seen Napoleon Dynamite. And what's this? Ooh, this is heavy. That's a nice. It looks like it spins. I'm gonna take it out of the package and see. I can't open it. Let's see. Ooh, it's got a nice weight too. It's a nice little keychain. Oh wow, so on the front we have the Hogwarts emblem with all the houses, and then if you flip it over, see if I can get the thing to flip but not the entirety of the keychain, we have the Dumbledore's army, like I guess coin, you would say, and it's got the outlines of, I know Harry's in the middle, and I can't distinguish anybody else. I know there's Ron and Hermione and Luna and a bunch of other people that are in Dumbledore's army. This is really cool. I think when we went to Universal City Walk, I did get a pin that had the Dumbledore's army like signature little thingy on it, and then like under it had the signatures of the members of Dumbledore's army. That's really cool. I like this. I will try and find a spot for this with the rest of my keychains. This is awesome. So now we have the oh, hello. Now we have the superhero one. This of course is the same thing. Let's see. What do we have in here? Oh, I never dropped it. What are you? Oh, it's a little Captain America. My co-host is moving around. So it's a little Captain America that you can put on your headphones. I believe I have a Groot one of these already. Yeah, he's sitting on one of the shelves by my bed. Let's see. Ooh, what are you? I see Captain Marvel. Ooh, I have a Captain Marvel lanyard. It's all tangled. Yeah, so of course all this stuff is from the comics, so that's why the Captain Marvel design is different. Yeah, this is really nice. I like this. It's got a little vinyl thingy, bob. Oh, Loot Crate. I think we've watched a bunch of YouTubers that have gotten stuff from Loot Crate, and I think a lot of the stuff is really, really nice. What is this? Ooh, what is this? Ooh, I see Aquaman. I'm happy. Ooh, what's this? I have an Aquaman necklace that, I mean, if you look closely in the background of some of my videos, you can actually see the necklace. Yeah, it shouldn't be hidden by anything. Ooh! Oh, I like this. So on the front, we have Aquaman Fight for Justice, and of course we have Jason Momoa as Arthur Curry on the front, and then on the back, we have Black Manta, and I believe the actor's name is Yahya Abdul-Mateen II. Please don't be mad at me in the comments if I'm pronouncing that wrong, because I would be mad at myself. That's really cool. I honestly didn't expect to get any DC stuff, given that we've already gotten like two Marvel things. Oh, I see a box. Black Widow. I do not... Oh, are these bags by Loot Crate? Because they're... Like on the bottom and the back of all this stuff, I've seen Loot Crate, so these might be by Loot Crate. Let's see, what are you? Ooh. Well, we've got some text in Russian. I have no idea what that means. What is this? What are you? Oh, it's a pin! Oh, I like this. So, of course, we got the... Hello. We've got the... Hanky. We've got a cat walking toward the camera. We have the Black Widow emblem, which is really, really nice. I like that. Can you like... What? I don't know what this says. I don't know what... I can't read Russian. One of my friends knows Russian. I don't, though. That's really cool. I really wish I could read this. I will try and figure out what it means. I have no idea. Is that it? Let's see. That's it. This one, I really like this one. They have a bunch of different ones. I don't know if it... Because I know they had a lot more of the retro ones than they did the superhero ones. Retro? Pop culture. Well, it said retro on there, and that's what threw me off, but... I will try and get more of these. These are really, really cool. I really liked the coin. This is probably one of my favorite things, and so was the Black Widow pin. I do not actually have any Black Widow stuff, and I can wear this on my pin jacket when we go to the premiere of, well, not the premiere, but at our theater it's the premiere. Black Widow. I'm really excited for that film. And I really, really like the keychain that has the Hogwarts emblem and then the Dumbledore's army. These are really cool. I will try and figure out who this is. I know he's like the witch's son or something, but I can't remember what his name is. And he's the cutest little thing. Yeah, so we used Google Translate and we found out what the words meant. It said Natasha Romanoff, codename Black Widow, for the pin. And then I also looked up what the little monster's name was, and it said his name was Gossamer. I thought it was like something else, but it wasn't. So we found two more of the pop culture bags, and this one's already open because we had to do this again because my dad forgot to turn on the mic. So, don't give me that look. So, I want to say this is Cobra Kai because I see Cobra. I don't know. This might be like a late gift to my math teacher for this year. What is this? Because he likes Cobra Kai. Let's see. Are you Cobra Kai? What are you? Karate Kid. I'm trying. Yeah, it's Cobra Kai. So this might be going to my math teacher because I don't. Let's see. I don't even know what Cobra Kai is. I think it's like a show on Netflix, isn't it? Leave something down in the comments because I don't know what it is. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, this will be going to my math teacher because he knows what Cobra Kai is and he likes Cobra Kai, so. Ooh. Let's leave that over to the side because I can't hold that up right now. Let's see, what else? What are you? It's a Mr. Potato Head pin. I love this. I thought it was a piece of poo for me. I just saw the mustache and I was like, what are you? Jaws. Don't know what it is, but it's Jaws. There's a cat under the table. I don't know what this is supposed to be. It's Jaws. I'm guessing you just... It has a tab, but what is it? I don't know what this is. Leave in the comments if you know what the use of this is. Can you like suction cup it down onto the table? Because there's a tab and I have no idea what that's for. I've got another lanyard. What is this? Psychonauts 2. Leave a comment if you know what that is, because I don't. Loot Gaming, okay. So, still Loot, so I'm guessing all of these bags are by Loot Crate. So now we're on to the bigger bag, and I was really excited when we found this one, because it feels like it has like either like a plush or a t-shirt in there, maybe. Oh, it's in packaging. Well, this is in a t-shirt. Peter Venkman fell out. Oh, more on this later. What are you? There's some form of cloak thing. What are you? What are you? I don't know what this is. How do I open it? There it is. What are you? I want to know what is. It's like a tape. What are you? That was underwhelming. What are you? I don't. Oh, it's a scarf. That makes more sense. Anti-Magic Academy 35th Test Platoon. What is that? I don't know what these things are, guys. It's a scarf, but it looks like a flag. I don't know. So, got some, oh, there's more Ghostbusters stuff in there. I saw that. It's Peter Venkman. I love Ghostbusters. I don't know if it's in the frame in any of my other videos, but I do have several Ghostbusters pop figures in my room. I'm just gonna leave Peter. I can't wait for the new film. Ooh, I knew there was gonna be some Die Hard stuff in there. There's Die Hard playing cards. Because I thought when you feel the bag, you think that this is like a shirt or something. But I was like, well, maybe the t-shirt is gonna be like, you know, like Rocky or Rambo or like Terminator or Die Hard. I got Die Hard playing cards. I'm gonna open those later. I want to look at those. I do have there's two pieces to this thing. Wait, does this go with this or not? Maybe. Stay. Let's go with slime. Wait a minute. Does this go? Hold on. Oh wow, that's cool. Okay, I'm having fun now. Open please. I hate tape. Look at this. Oh my god. Let's see, go this. Wow, he's heavy. Slimer adds like 20 pounds. How do you? Oh, I see. There we go. Get the right ends to go in his feet. Still won't go on the platform. That's cool. So of course, this is when he's like going cat invasion. Sweetheart. So I'm guessing this is like the scene where he's in the first one where Slimer is actually going through Venkman before he's knocked to the ground, because there's slime and then he's got slime on him and then there's Slimer behind him. Let's see, can this stand up? Yay. That's so cool. I like that. That's really cool. My friend Lily will really like that. Oh god, who is this? I forgot who this character is. What's his name? He's one of like the gargoyles, but he has a name. Oh god, I forgot what his name is, but this is really cool. Like I think the other pin that we got, apart from the Mr. Potato Head one, was the thing. I think it was Napoleon Dynamite. I do not remember. Let's open up these Die Hard playing cards. I hate the plastic wrapping around these because I can never get it open. And always like in like 15 billion little pieces. She's like, why are you recording me? So I've not seen the first Die Hard, so leave something down in the comments if there's something special about this plaza. I don't know. Maybe there was something that Bruce Willis did. I have no idea. I've only seen bits and pieces of the one that he did with Samuel L. Jackson. Yeah, I don't It's kind of sad, like in the last box I knew like so many of these things and now I'm just like, well, what's this? What's this? So out of the big bag, my favorite thing definitely has to be the Peter Venkman figurine. Mainly because like Peter Venkman is by far my favorite character and I'm so glad that he's going to be back in Ghostbusters Afterlife. I can't wait for that film. This is really cute. I really love his facial expression. And just Slimer on the back. This is so cute. So my favorite thing out of the first bag definitely has to be the Mr. Potato Head pin. Mainly because it's the only one I actually know, apart from the Jaws thing, and I don't know what this is. My mom thinks it's a paperweight. I have no clue. Jaws' head is very heavy. Maybe it's a paperweight. But he's got a tab, so like I'm thinking like he can like suction cup down at something. I have no idea, but this pin is adorable. And I love how it's just like his face and not like a potato. And that's it for these mystery bags. I really enjoyed opening these. As you guys probably know from the background of my videos, I'm a big figure collector. And so getting most of these things was really, really cool. I will be putting the Mr. Potato Head pin and the Ghostbusters pin that I do not remember the character of on a jacket that I have that has a bunch of different pins on, along with the Black Widow pin that we got. That was really, really cool. We might try and find some more of the superhero ones. I know they have another bag that is like a gamer thing, and I kind of want to get that one because I do love Pac-Man, and so does my dad. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. Bye!